The Pioneer A-Series TS-A653FH speakers deliver a noticeably richer, more balanced sound than typical factory car speakers, with clear mids and highs that make vocals and instruments stand out. Their two-way coaxial design, combined with a dedicated tweeter, gives smooth treble detail without the harshness that can make long drives tiring. Power handling up to 340 watts peak and solid continuous power capability let these speakers play loudly and dynamically while keeping distortion under control. A wide frequency range that reaches down into the bass and up into very high treble helps these speakers handle everything from deep kick drums to airy cymbals with convincing impact. The included multi-fit adapters and tweeter mounting options make installation straightforward in many vehicles, so upgrading from stock speakers is practical even for do-it-yourself installers. Overall, build quality feels robust for the class, and the gold finish adds a subtle premium look behind the grille while you enjoy a clear, engaging in-car listening experience.